A very good morning to Doctor, and this is the video for explaining the regression analysis. So my name is Sheng, and my matrix number is 176555. And this is the data that I obtained from the previous example. The Y is the data for weight, and the X is for height. And we look at here. This is the summary output for the regression analysis, and we look at the R square value here. It shows that it is 0.99 something, and it is very close to 1, which means that all the data here are fit the regression line, and the closer to 1 the better the regression analysis. So we look at here at ANOVA data. So this is the data for the regression sum of square and the residual sum of square. And the residual sum of square is around 22 point something, and the closer the residual sum square to the 0, the best the data of the analysis. So here it is 22. It shows that the data is okay. If it is higher than around 100, it is bad. So we look at another data. So we look at here the coefficient for intercept and the height. So here the coefficient for intercept, it shows that it is negative value, and for height it is positive value. So which means that the increasing of height in 1 unit, there will be a decreasing in intercept unit by 92 or something units. And we look at the residual output. So this is the predicted value, and this is the residual value for each observation. So we can see that for each observation, it has at least residues. And this is the graph for all the residues for observations, and it is a curve. So it shows that there is non-linear relationship between the residue and the regression analysis. So for the predicted value, for the first one, it is 115 or something, and the residue is around 1.65. So which means that there is the actual value, there will be far or near to the predicted value by 1.65 something. So as the conclusion, the line for the graph it shows that the actual value that is always not same as what we estimate in the analysis, and there will be some residues for each value, either in positive value or negative value. And the objective for doing this regression analysis is that we need to study the relationship between the height and the weight variables, and to estimate for these variables. And that's all for the explanation. Thanks.